Welcome to the sanctuary of artisanal mastery, where a silent, moss-covered raw ore awaits its transformation into a magnificent symbol of eternal beauty and light. A master's touch awakens the hidden spirit within the stone as subtle crystal veins begin to glow beneath the ancient dust of the earth's deep core. Purification begins as high-pressure water strips away the grime of ages, revealing the raw potential hidden beneath layers of terrestrial history and weathered stone. Every drop of water acts as a lens, magnifying the hidden textures and colors that have been trapped in darkness for millions of long, silent years. With calculated precision, the artisan listens for the stone's secret frequency, seeking the perfect moment to break through its protective, rugged outer shell. Fragments fly in a choreographed dance of destruction and creation, clearing the path for the inner radiance that has been waiting to meet the light. Finally, the heart of the ore is revealed, a vibrant core of pure energy and color that defies the darkness of its humble, rocky origin. An expert eye maps the internal landscape, navigating through inclusions and fractures to find the path of most brilliance and the perfect geometry of light. This raw revelation is just the beginning, a rough promise of the spectacular beauty that will soon be sculpted by human hands and mechanical precision. Resting on a soft pedestal, the stone prepares for its destiny, shedding its natural chaos for the structured perfection of the high jewelry world. We have completed the raw revelation, the first step in a journey that bridges the gap between raw nature and the pinnacle of human artistry. Transitioning to the precision lab, we prepare for the fateful cut that will define the stone's proportions and its ultimate interaction with the light. The golden ratio is applied via laser, mapping out a mathematical blueprint for beauty that ensures maximum brilliance from every conceivable angle. These glowing lines are the roadmap for the blade, a digital guide that bridges the gap between ancient stone and modern technological precision. The high-speed diamond saw begins its mechanical roar, a relentless force capable of slicing through the hardest materials known to the human world. Friction ignites a spectacle of color as sparks dance across the blade, signaling the start of a transformation that cannot be reversed or undone. A constant stream of cooling fluid protects the stone's integrity, allowing the blade to bite deeper into the crystal without causing thermal stress or cracks. Each spark is a testament to the stone's resistance, a momentary flash of heat that marks the birth of a new, refined shape. Concentration is paramount here. A fraction of a millimeter is the difference between a masterpiece and a ruined crystal of immense value. As the blade completes its journey, the stone surrenders its original form, parting perfectly along the lines dictated by mathematics and artistic vision. A clean break reveals a hidden world of clarity, two mirror-smooth surfaces that reflect the laboratory lights with a newfound, startling intensity. The cut face acts as a portal, creating a kaleidoscope of reflections that hint at the complex optical magic we are about to unlock. Symmetry is checked and verified. The two halves are now ready for the next phase of their evolution toward becoming a singular work of art. The precision cut is complete, and the stage is set for the grinding wheels to begin their eternal rotation in the pursuit of perfection. We move forward into the shaping phase, where the rough edges will be smoothed away to reveal the infinite curves of the final design. The grinding wheel spins in a perpetual cycle, creating a fine mist that hangs in the air like a veil over the stone's emerging form. water dances on the spinning lap, forming tiny bubbles that cushion the stone's descent into its new preordained shape of teardrop elegance. In the artisan's hands, the stone meets the wheel, and the friction creates a white slurry as the jagged edges are slowly ground into submission. A soft fog of creation surrounds the workshop, a mixture of water and stone dust that marks the slow erosion of the unnecessary. Time accelerates as the stone transforms, shedding its chaotic nature for a teardrop silhouette that flows with an organic yet mathematically perfect grace. The edges become sharp and clear, losing their opaque mystery and gaining a translucency that allows us to peer into the heart of the gem. Refinement requires a change in texture as the artisan swaps coarse steel for finer grits to polish the foundation of the gemstone's soul. Each disc brings us closer to the truth, stripping away the scratches of the previous stage to leave behind a surface as smooth as glass. A matte finish emerges, a soft glow that proves the primary shape is locked in, ready for the intricate geometry of the faceting stage. Rhythmic water droplets keep the temperature stable, ensuring the stone remains calm and unbroken during its intense physical transformation at high speeds. The artisan's focus is unwavering, his reflection a mirror of the dedication required to pull beauty from the depths of a raw mineral. The foundation is leveled, creating a perfect plane that will serve as the anchor for the complex mathematical journey that lies just ahead. Molten wax binds the stone to its guide, a temporary union that allows the artisan to manipulate the gem with sub-millimeter precision and control. Vertical alignment is verified with microscopic accuracy, ensuring that every future facet will sit in perfect harmony with its neighbors across the surface. One final pass clears the way, leaving the stone in a state of pure, unadorned potential, waiting for the light to be trapped inside. Shaping the infinity is complete. We now move to the architecture of light, where geometry creates the fire that lives within the diamond. The faceting machine is a marvel of engineering, a tool of absolute logic designed to translate mathematical angles into blindingly beautiful flashes of light. The first angle is set to 45 degrees, a calculated choice that will dictate how light enters the stone and where it chooses to dance. Gears turn with silent efficiency, a mechanical symphony that supports the artisan's hand in its quest for a level of perfection rarely seen. The arm locks, solid and unmoving, providing the stable platform needed to carve the first window into the heart of this crystalline treasure. The first facet is born, a tiny window that suddenly allows us to see deep into the stone's core for the very first time. As it catches the light, the facet flares with a brilliant spark, a promise of the blinding fire that will soon consume the entire stone. Moving to 52 degrees, the artisan begins a new row, building a structural cage of light that will trap every photon that enters. A symmetrical pattern emerges, a geometric web that spreads across the surface, turning a simple stone into a complex prism of infinite reflections. A sharp blast of air clears the stage, allowing for a microscopic inspection of every junction where two facets meet in perfect harmony. The pavilion facets act as a hall of mirrors, reflecting the light back up through the crown to maximize the stone's natural brilliance and fire. We flip the perspective to the crown, the upper portion of the gem that will serve as the primary interface between the viewer and stone. The table facet is laid down, a wide, clear window that provides a deep, unobstructed view into the heart of the stone's internal fire. Rainbows begin to ignite within the crystal as the complex geometry starts to split white light into its constituent colors with dazzling intensity. Through the loop, the artisan ensures that every point meets with surgical precision, for even the smallest error would dim the stone's ultimate luster. The stone is now a complex polyhedron, a masterpiece of physics and art that glows with an internal life all its own. One final scientific check ensures the stone's structural health, confirming that our journey through geometry has left the crystal stable and stress-free. An ultrasonic bath cleanses every microscopic crevice, preparing the stone for the final polish that will turn these faces into true mirrors. As it dries, the stone's clarity is breathtaking, each facet a sharp, high-definition pane of light that seems to defy the laws of nature. The geometry of light is complete. Now we move to the final polish and the embrace of the gold that will hold this treasure. The felt wheel spins with a soft hum, marking the beginning of the final polish, where science ends and pure brilliance truly begins. A pearlescent compound coats the stone, a microscopic abrasive that will remove the last traces of the journey and reveal a perfect reflection. Felt meets stone, and a mirror-like shine erupts across the facets, turning the gemstone into a beacon of light that dominates the room's atmosphere. Fully polished, the gem is a perfect observer, reflecting the entire world around it with a clarity that seems almost impossible for a natural object. A rose gold frame awaits, its warm sunset hues providing the perfect contrast to the cool, icy brilliance of the masterfully cut gemstone. With a delicate touch, the stone is seated in its throne, a perfect fit that represents the union of geological time and human skill. Gold prongs are folded over, a secure embrace that will hold the gem for generations, protecting the beauty we have worked so hard to reveal. The metal is smoothed and burnished, ensuring every surface of the jewelry is as refined as the stone it was designed to carry and showcase. A soft brush performs the final rites, removing the last traces of the workshop to reveal the pristine, untarnished glory of the finished piece. The final wipe reveals a masterpiece, a fusion of earth, fire, and human soul that sparkles with an intensity that can be felt in the heart. The final polish is complete. What was once a dusty rock is now a treasure of infinite depth and eternal shimmering light. Suspended in the void, the infinity ring reveals its true nature, a rotating beacon of light that creates its own universe of color and shadow. Peer into the center and lose yourself in a tunnel of infinite reflections where the boundaries between stone and light completely and beautifully dissolve. From every angle, the craftsmanship is undeniable, a testament to the patient art of the handmade, guided by the precision of modern intelligence. Crafted to infinity and shaped by passion, this is the art of the future, where nature's raw power meets the pinnacle of human artistry.